Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this follow-up, we dive into dynamic typing, how Python lets you change a variable's data type just by reassigning it. Plus, we will explore advanced assignment techniques like swapping and handling mutable objects. Now I want to swap these two variables at their values. What I will do is just write value, comma, other is equal to other, comma, value. Let's print it before, just print it before there, value, other. And print under the line we have swapped. Let's write other value. So it's like that. Now run it and see the results. It's 50 and 100 respectively for the value and other. Now it is 50 and 100 for other value. And it's a sign that it has been changed. So these values are swapped and we have successfully completed it. Now we will talk about how we can handle mutable objects in assignments. So let's define a list named as list A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and list B is equal to 1, 2, and 3. If we print them, list A, let's say, and list B, we print them, we will see the same thing for both of them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the lists are same, they hold the same values for all elements. And now you think, what happens if I assign them just to same value? And let's do it and see what happens. So list A is equal to list B is equal to 1, 2, 3. So they are both assigned to the same value. Now let's print them. Print list A and list B. Let's print them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's nice. Now let's append an element. We will see how to append, but I will just do that to demonstrate this, and we will learn all this together. List A dot append 4. It means I'm appending 4 to the end of the list. Now let's print them again. You will understand why I am also printing the list B, and let's run it. Okay, both of them are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So they contain the same values. Isn't it weird? Yeah, it's weird. But assigning the same mutable object to multiple variables can lead to unexpected behavior. So they act like the same object. If you want to prevent this, you have to assign them separately. So if you assign them separately, this won't happen. Let's just change it and see what will happen again. And just do that and run it again. As you can see, the list B hasn't changed. And we must be careful about that in order to preserve our structures and values. We covered dynamic typing, swapping variables, and handling mutable objects. These skills build on the basics from our variable definition video. If you want more Python tutorials, please subscribe to the channel and comment below with your questions or your exercise solutions. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.